Excuse me, we have been waiting for my meal for 15 minutes. The service is really slow.
I sincerely apologize for the delay. We've been quite busy tonight, but I will check on your order right away.
And when my meal finally arrived, it was the strongest. I ordered roast chicken, but I got fried chicken instead.
Oh no, I'm really sorry about that. Let me fix it immediately. I will have the chicken prepared, roast chicken as quick as possible.
We do. Also, I have a connect at 8 p.m., so I need my meal soon.
I'm completely understand. I will make sure your correct order is prepared early so you can enjoy your meal and still make it to your concert on time. As an apology, I will also like to offer you a complimentary dessert.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
You are very welcome. I will be right back with your meals.